Hey there everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, today in this video I will tell you how to fix unable to use Safari after the latest iOS 17.4.1 update. So guys, many of you are complaining about after updating to the latest version of iOS 17, which is 17.4.1, you are facing an issue of Safari, that you are unable to use Safari on your iPhone and you don't know how to fix this issue. But guys, don't worry, I have got your back. In this video, I will tell you how to fix unable to use Safari after the latest iOS 17 update. So guys, without wasting your time, let's start the video. Our first step is to force quit Safari. Sometimes Safari may encounter temporary glitches that prevent it from functioning properly. Try force quitting the Safari app and relaunching it. To force quit the Safari app on your iPhone, you have to do is simply open the app first and then close it and try opening it again. After this, then you have to do is restart your iPhone. Restarting your iPhone or iPad can often resolve various software issues. To restart your iPhone, you have to simply open the settings and then scroll down and then tap on the general. Again, you scroll down and you can see your option shutdown. Simply tap on it and shut down your iPhone and then restart it after 15 to 20 seconds later. After restarting your iPhone and you're still facing the issue, then you have to do is clear the Safari cache and website data. To do this, you have to simply go back, then scroll down and you will see your Safari. Simply tap on the Safari, then scroll down. You can see your option clear history and website data. Simply tap on it. Now tap on all. You have to make sure that the all history is selected and close all tabs is enabled. Then tap on clear history and done. So guys, after trying all of these steps and you're still facing the issue, then I will suggest you to do reset your Safari settings. So guys, to do this, you have to simply scroll up and then tap on general, scroll down and then tap on transfer reset iPhone, tap on the tap on reset all settings, enter your passcode and fix your issue. So guys, these were some simple steps that how to fix Safari not working issue on your iPhones after iOS 17.4.1 update. If this video helps you, then make sure to like and subscribe my YouTube channel for upcoming videos, and thanks for watching.